You know, if it was a hot summer day, I'd be down for this, but it's not. It's a cold, windy day. And here we are at Noah's Ark Animal Shelter, and we've got the fire hydrant on. So I'm gonna see if I can't get around this. Yeah, where there's a will, there's a way. Uh-oh. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. That's right, we were finding the way. Finding the way. Oh. Yeah, right around that fire hydrant. Yeah, that's how it's done. Oh, I still got some of that spray on me. It's cold, but at least I didn't have to go through it. Man, look at all this water. It's created this stream.